everyone, and I'm going to show you a great website I found that it's very useful because I'm always trying to draw things on my Valentine's box, and I found a great website to draw a bald eagle. But right now I'm going to show you a very cute animal and I'm going to show you a cute cat, a dragon, and a dinosaur. Wait, yeah. So, I'm going to first show you what I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a cat, a tabby cat. And then I'm going to draw a cougar. And then finally, I am going to draw a, Indominus Rex. No, actually a Deinonychus will be good. Okay, so first I will draw a tabby cat. So. You can change the pencils, or right now I'm using a brush, but when it's like the important things, you can use the pencil because it's darker. And if my hand's covering it, I'll lift my hand after I'm done drawing to let you see what I'm drawing.